Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something mouthwatering in the spotlight. Get ready because we're about to dive deep into the world of the best frozen pizza on the market, the California Pizza Kitchen Barbecue Chicken Frozen Pizza. Let's get started. As you can see, we have the California Pizza Kitchen Barbecue Chicken Frozen Pizza right here. It's a crispy thin crust pizza that weighs in at 14.7 ounces and promises 100% real cheese goodness. What sets this pizza apart is its tangy barbecue sauce and generous helping of grilled chicken. Now, let's break it down. First, let's talk about the nutrition. With 300 calories per serving, 640 milligrams of sodium, 1 gram of dietary fiber, and 8 grams of sugars. This pizza strikes a balance between indulgence and conscious eating. Plus, it packs a punch with 16 grams of protein, making it a satisfying meal. Now, onto the good stuff. This pizza is loaded with high-quality ingredients. It features a crispy thin crust, barbecue seasoned grilled white meat chicken, red onions, cilantro, mozzarella, and hickory smoked Gouda cheeses all layered over a sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. What's more, it's made with no artificial flavors and boasts a preservative-free crust. Cooking this pizza is a breeze. Just preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the box, plastic wrap, and cardboard, and place your pizza directly on the center oven rack. Bake for 15 to 16 minutes, and you'll have a delicious, piping hot meal ready to enjoy. But what truly sets California Pizza Kitchen apart? They use natural chicken raised without added hormones. And their commitment to using no artificial ingredients means you're getting a high-quality frozen pizza. Federal regulations prohibit the use of hormones in poultry, ensuring a safer and healthier meal. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that California Pizza Kitchen offers a variety of flavors, including cheese, margarita, Sicilian, and uncured pepperoni. They even have options like cauliflower crust and gluten-free for those with dietary preferences or restrictions. Now, let's see what others have to say about this pizza. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 2,800 reviews, it's clear that customers are loving this barbecue chicken frozen pizza. People are raving about its taste and quality. In summary, the California Pizza Kitchen Barbecue Chicken Frozen Pizza is a winner in the world of frozen pizzas. It's delicious, made with quality ingredients, and offers a variety of flavors to suit your taste buds. Whether it's a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner, this pizza has you covered. That's it for today's review, folks. If you're looking for the best frozen pizza, you found it right here. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy eating!